Hey everyone, today my goal is to one-shot a Lightdash project from scratch. So I've got no models in here and I don't have any metrics. I also don't have any dashboard. And my goal is to measure the engineering performance and velocity of the Lightdash team internally. So I've got a BigQuery database that has already got GitHub data dumped into it, but that's all I've done. So I've connected up this empty Lightdash project to GitHub. And I'm going to jump over to my definition for my project here. So I put some simple configuration to say it's BigQuery and a really simple model here as well. And so I'm going to open up Claude Code and I'm just going to try a one-shot prompt. And we want to hopefully get all of the models, all of the metrics and charts and dashboards all together. So I want to measure the engineering velocity and performance of our team at Lightdash. I want to understand who the top performers are, what our cycle time is, what our fastest and slowest CI/CD actions are, and I just want an overall measure of performance. I want this on a Lightdash dashboard where I can filter by different team members and through time, and I want you to develop the Lightdash models and metrics needed to do that. Okay, let's see how we go. Now, I would expect this to take around 5 to 10 minutes. It's finished a plan. And it's asked me a few questions. So it's asked me, should this be just for the Lightdash team or should it be everybody that contributes? So for now, I'm going to say this should just be the Lightdash team. And then it's going to say, which workflows should it be monitoring in our CI/CD? And I'm going to say all of it. And that looks good. And you can actually see if I scroll up a bit here, just before it asks me those questions, you can see some of the plan here. So it's found all of the relevant available data in the warehouse. And it's already coming up with an idea of what the relevant metrics and dimensions will be. So that's really cool. Okay, so Claude's finished its plan, and let's check in on what it's doing. And what's really cool here is like all of this is just happening with the Lightdash CLI. Like I haven't installed tons of tools. I just installed one command line tool. And so here you go. It's giving me an overview of the focus of my dashboard, the available data. Here it's proposing what the semantic layer is going to look like. And these all look really reasonable. Like I just read through this, and this looks great. Let's wipe the context, give us a fresh window, and start with this plan and get going. So it's written 3 models to my semantic layer, and it's created 11 charts and a dashboard, but it just hasn't deployed it yet, so I'm just going to tell it to go ahead and deploy everything for me because I'm feeling lazy. So you can see it created a bunch of charts, and I want to go and check the dashboard. It's nice to put it in its own space. And let's see what we got. So I haven't run any of this code myself. I didn't do any of the, okay, there's one thing it couldn't get. But there we go. Here's our chart. We can see the average cycle time for our team. We can see the throughput over time. Well, that's it. I started from 0 and I got to an 80% solution. There's definitely some things I would want to tweak here. But looking through the models and looking through the code, the metrics and the semantic layer all make sense. I just have some style choices that I'd like to make here. But yeah, otherwise I feel super leveraged. This is awesome.